After unveiling a plaque to mark the inauguration of the stunning new complex and after leading Salat, Hazur granted an audience to various guests and dignitaries.
Good evening. Thank you for coming here on our function.
I'm the ambassador of Haiti to the UK.
Haiti?
Yes.
How is your country?
Could be better.
Yes.
Could be better. Thank you.
His Holiness, it's a pleasure to see you again. Paul Scully, Minister for Technology and Minister for London, as well as neighbouring MP. Lovely to see you as always.
I know you very well.
My name is Leroy Scott, and I'm the mayor of Whitehill and Borden over in Hampshire.
It's our area, almost.
Yes? Yes. Yes.
And I know you, I think.
Good evening, sir. Virendra Sharma, Member of Parliament for Ealing South.
I know you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Following the group meeting, the 2019 recipient of the Ahmadiyya Peace Prize, Mrs. Barbara Hoffman, had the opportunity to meet Hazur.
How's life?
Life is a bit hard in the last few months because in Mozambique we have floods and cyclones. There are thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 of people, they lost their homes. They were displaced due to the floods.
Is government providing them any makeshift arrangement?
We're trying to help them with food as much as we can. With food, and we had people housed at our centres.
The main problem is food or shelter?
Basic is food. Shelter is number 2. It is an honor for
thank you very much
to meet you and to be able to exchange.
Thank you for accepting our offer.
The 2022 recipient of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Peace Prize, Mr. Tadadoshi Akiba, also had the opportunity to meet Hazur.
I'm here to represent Hiroshima and also Hibachi, that's a Japanese word for the survivors of the atomic bombings. And since I was the mayor for 12 years, and I worked with them to bring peace and to abolish nuclear weapons, and I believe exactly what you have been doing. And it's an honor.
I have been to Hiroshima, yes.
Yes, I saw your picture.
Yes. And even I wrote on the book my comments and praised the people of Hiroshima, how they rebuilt their city.
Yes. Thank you very
it's
much.
Amazing.
And with your endorsement of Hiroshima and with just us working together, I'm hoping that the war in Ukraine will end soon, and also that nuclear weapons will not be used.
Yes, if only people get sense.
Yes.
So it all depends on our leaders.
That's right.
So if you can convince them to take sense.
On this occasion, I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Ahmadiyya community for denouncing the atomic bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki on August 10th, 1945.
Yes.
You were perhaps the first major organization and among the major leaders to do so publicly, and I believe that means a great deal to people here.
Yes. We are still not trying to get lesson from it.
That's right.
And again, trying to eradicate the life from the face of the earth.
Thereafter, Ziad Abul Taif, a Member of Parliament from Canada who had travelled to attend the Peace Symposium, had the chance to meet Hazur.
Alhamdulillah, everything good. And, thank you for...
It seems as if you are very close to Ahmadis. You are using all our terminology, all our prayers.
Yeah, indeed. It's just the message of Ahmadiyya, of peace, and spreading that message to the world is also mine.
But people, they are not trying to pay heed to it.
They will.
They will, during our generation or next generation.
We need to be persistent.
It all depends on you, the politicians.
Happy to serve with your blessing.
We have been trying our best. But now the ball is in your court.
Yes, we need everyone. I think that politics in the West is also we call it bottom up, from base all the way to the head. People have the influence, the ability to influence the political community to do so.
Hazrul was informed during the meeting that Mr. Abul Taif is a member of the Canadian Human Rights Committee.
Discharge human rights is not an easy job.
Yeah, it's very distinguished. I was on Foreign Affairs twice. Also, I was the Shadow Minister for International Development. So I did my tour from Africa to all the way to Bangladesh, trying to to spread the message.
Unfortunately, there was a mishap there in Bangladesh yesterday.
Yeah, I heard. I can't believe that 88 million people country have a fear of 50,000 people. It doesn't make sense.
It was the height of brutality. They killed one of our AMDI member and injured quite a number of them.
Yeah.
Some of them are very seriously injured. They are hospitalized. When everything is done, now they have deployed a huge number of military and police and all these forces. What is the use of that now?
I mean, again, it's simple.
They burned quite a number of our houses.
Simple to have the fear of 50,000 people. There's something fundamental there in the mentality and the way they are approaching human rights and people's.
No, their police did take action, but it was a delayed action. Had they been taken 2 hours earlier, it would not have happened.